What if I told you that robots can now literally program each other's brains? Not science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. A breakthrough study from UC Irvine just proved that one AI can create the entire brain of another robot from scratch. And it's 20 times faster than any human programmer. Stay with me. This changes everything. Welcome back to Future Gen News. Today, we're diving into the most mind-blowing AI robotics story of 2025. You'll learn exactly how robots are now programming each other, what this means for the future of technology, and why experts are calling this our Terminator moment. But first, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss what's coming next in AI. Here's what happened. Professor Peter Burke at UC Irvine just published research showing that an AI robot successfully created the complete brain of a drone. And I mean everything. Flight control, navigation, real-time mapping, even safety protocols. 0 lines of human-written code. The drone doesn't just follow commands, it hosts its own website in the sky, making decisions and controlling itself through the internet. Think about that. A robot brain, created by another robot, flying around and thinking for itself. But how does this robot-to-robot programming actually work? It's built on what researchers call agentic AI, essentially large language models like GPT-4 that can write functional code. The AI doesn't just copy existing programs. It creates entirely new control systems from scratch, tailored specifically for each robot's needs. And get this, the research shows AI-generated robot brains can be built 20 times faster than human programmers, with performance that matches or exceeds traditional systems. We're talking about development cycles measured in hours, not months. This isn't just lab research. It has massive real-world implications. Imagine manufacturing robots instantly teaching assembly line bots new tasks, or space exploration drones sharing navigation skills with rovers on Mars. Google is already experimenting with robots that learn from each other through cloud networks, creating what they call a hive mind. In healthcare, surgical robots could share precision techniques instantly. Chinese researchers have even created robot brains using human stem cells, blending biological intelligence with artificial systems. We're entering an era where robots don't just follow programs. They evolve and adapt in real time. Now, here's where it gets serious. Professor Burke actually opens his research paper with a reference to Terminator, robots becoming self-aware and taking over. While he hopes the outcome of Terminator never occurs, the parallels are undeniable. We're witnessing the first steps toward truly autonomous robot ecosystems. Industry experts are calling this a paradigm shift in robotics engineering. MIT researchers report that robots with AI-generated brains outperform traditional programming by over 20% in both simulation and real-world tests. The implications for military applications, autonomous weapons, and robot swarms are staggering. But here's the kicker. These systems can now operate without human oversight. The UC Irvine drone controlled itself from 11,440 miles away, nearly halfway around the world. We're not just automating tasks anymore. We're automating intelligence itself. So here's the bottom line. Robots programming each other isn't coming someday. It's happening right now. From UC Irvine's self-programming drones to Google's robot hive minds, we're witnessing the birth of truly autonomous AI systems that can create, learn, and evolve without human intervention. If this blew your mind like it did mine, smash that like button and share this video with anyone who needs to know about this breakthrough. And don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, because in the world of AI robotics, everything changes overnight. Thanks for watching Tech Breakthrough News.